If you want to land a Web3 remote job and you have no knowledge about this domain, then this video is for you. 3 steps to get your first Web3 job. Step 1. Get the basic blockchain understanding. You can use Morales YouTube channel or Whiteboard Crypto YouTube channel to get the basic knowledge about it. Don't need to understand each and every concept, just the basics. Step 2. Build a full stack application using React, EtherJS, Hardhat or Truffle. You can watch Nada Rabbit YouTube video to build your first full stack project. You can even use Morales or Third Web that are very easy to get started and learn and build Web3 projects fast. Step 3 is the last step to join the Discord channel related to Web3. Give your introduction to those channels, showcase your projects, and get your first remote Web3 job. You can even use LinkedIn and Twitter while showcasing your projects and some third parties such as Whiteboard, Crypto Jobs, Remote3, and so on to get your first Web3 job. All the links which I have mentioned here are in the description. That's it for today, people. Until next time, have a good day.